Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the perfect lip. This is all of my little tips and tricks that I do behind the scenes that I don't typically show in videos. So this is how I do my day-to-day lip where it lasts all day for me. So starting off, I'm going to use my LIQUE lip wipes just to get any foundation or any product buildup off of my lips. They're like little makeup removing wipes, so they're really good too if you're doing your makeup and you decide you want to switch a lipstick. This takes it off without getting it all over your foundation. Once I've removed all the foundation, I'm going to go in with my LIQUE conditioning scrub. This is like a sugar scrub with some oils in it that's going to help moisturize our lips to where they stay nice and full. And this is going to help with all the dry skin and all of that jazz that we're trying to get off, especially since we're getting into the dry season of winter. This is going to be like essential for you. So I'm just removing the scrub after rubbing it around for 30 seconds on my lips with our makeup removing wipe, and then I went back in with a damp cloth just to make sure I got all of it off so our lipstick went on evenly. Then I'm going in with my tinted chapstick from LIQUE. This is in the color Innocent, and this is just going to help keep our lips moisturized underneath our liquid lipstick. Now I'm jumping into LIQUE's Matte Liquid Lip in Uptown Girl. This is one of their new colors in their fall line, and I'm obsessed with it because it's not too pink, it's not too red, it's like the perfect, I guess, raspberry in between color, and it definitely goes with a lot of the trends that are going on for this upcoming season. And I like the applicator brush on this because I don't have to use a lip liner underneath. I can get that precise edge that I'm looking for. But just in case, I just want to clean up where my foundation meets my lipstick, and I'm just using a little bit of concealer to do so. This is going to help make our lips look quite sharp. It's going to help keep our lipstick from running. It's going to help everything tie in together, and it's going to help your lips stand out from your face. And then I'm going over top in my Reflections in the color Angel, and this is not a lip gloss. This is like a specific lip glitter, so it's not going to change the formulation of your liquid lipstick. It's not going to add the slip that lip gloss will have. This is just going to add that glitter tone over top of everything, so you still have your color shining through. I love them. They're super comfortable. So that is how I get my perfect lip for the fall and winter seasons, and a little bit in the summer depending on how dry my lips get. Make sure to use my discount code CASSILQ20 for 20% off of your LIQUE orders. Also, make sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. All the names and links will be in the description box for you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!